So you know what's the best thing to do in autumn? Is to catch kawahagi and make some kimozushi. But that's what I just did in the previous episode. So today I do a little different thing using snapper. So the tide is pretty small and doesn't move that much today. And the wind doesn't pick up that much either. So such a day is a good condition for bait fishing. Yeah, fish on. First drop, man. It's coming up, shaky, shaky. It's pretty light. What's this? It's blowfish, not a keeper. Even it tastes good, you need a license to cook this fish. But it looks cute, right? Let's move to the different spot. Blowfish are going around this area. Yeah, not a fish on. Hope it won't be blowfish again. Nice, it's filefish. This is what I wanted. Yeah, here it comes again. I think I found a good spot for today. No blowfish here. This one looks a decent size, with full of liver in its belly. Must be delicious. Okay, so these are what I brought back today. 2 snappers and 5 kawahagi and 1 betta. So let's cook them up. So what I'm cooking with this snapper is ichiaboshi. Butterfly the fish, sprinkle some salt on the meat, put it in a dry net, and leave it in outside for 3 or 4 hours to dehydrate the fish. And after it's done, you can just grill it.